Yo, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, and I wanted to come to you with a skill power system review. First and foremost, let's jump right into it. Today, I've made $400 by promoting this system. I got an expected, payment coming of 1,100, a deposit of 200 that was on the 22nd. So the system pays real good money. You get instant commissions to your bank account, your Stripe account, your PayPal, however you want to get paid, guys. So what is this system, and can it work for you? The system is a bunch of different educational training videos, marketing videos, just teaching you a ton of different ways to market online. Okay, so for instance, it's teaching you, how to use how to do drop shipping. Okay, how to do CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, just a ton of different trainings, guys. And I'm going to go over some of these right now, because this is what the back the system looks like. It's very simple. It's pretty much a direct sales opportunity where you receive 100% commissions just by referring other people to the program. It's a one-time payment, so absolutely amazing. So this is the training that you'll get once you get started. Now, there are three different levels to this. Okay, the 50, the 100, and the $200. There's no monthly fees at all, just a one-time payment. I highly recommend the 200 because of all the education that you get with the program, as well as my bonuses. If you decide to join at the $200 level, you'll get my bonuses as well. But let me go over this right now. Okay, so you go through your first steps, and you'll set up your Stripe account, your website buttons, and all that kind of stuff, right? Then you'll click on Facebook. Now, some of these trainings, depending on what level you have, some of these you won't have access to, but I got the $200 training, the pro version, which I recommend everybody to do. Investments are important, so invest in yourself. But you'll get all of these different things, guys. Just a ton of different things here. So these are all trainings. Okay, let me show you what you get for the 200. Your Instagram, okay, Snapchat, which is coming soon, okay, and then we'll get down here to the trainings. So solo ad training, look at all this training, guys. Tons and tons and tons of videos, powerful videos teaching you different ways to market. I've already been implementing some things from it. Lead generation, how to get traffic fast, where to place ads at to get sales and commissions and things like that, guys. So that's a ton. Then we go over traffic here, more ways on how to get traffic as a newbie. If you're a newbie, how to run Bing ads and things like that. Just all kinds of stuff. Reddit, it goes over Reddit, Twitter, Facebook retargeting, just all kinds of traffic. Look at all this training, guys. Tons of training, right? And then we'll go over marketing. Okay, even more on affiliate marketing. Just boatloads of freaking training that, you get so much value in this program. Then you click the next tab on drop shipping, and it goes over all this e-commerce stuff and drop shipping. Then if you wanted to do CPA marketing, it shows you how to market on CPA, gives you all kinds of different websites to sign up for, shows you the best ways to get traffic for that as well. And then if we go down here to income methods, it gives you a 6 and 7 figure blueprint on how to make certain softwares work for you. Just a lot of top secret stuff on here, guys. This stuff is just absolutely nuts. It has a lot of information. We go over conversions as well. Okay, just look at all this. You can't tell me that $200 one time, this isn't worth it. How to launch your product. Whenever if you think of different products. And this is not even all, guys, because when you sign up, not only are you going to get what this program offers you, you're also going to get my trainings as well. And I've been making 6 figures online for the past couple of years, guys. I'm no newbie to this. I've been doing this for a very long time. You may be on a different channel than my main channel, but just know that when you join my team, you're going to have all the support. I'll leave my number here for you, my email. You can contact me anytime. So yeah, go ahead, click the link below, man. Go through, get to my website to look like this. Now, once you get started, You'll also be able to get one-on-one coaching with me and things like that, just depending on what level. One-on-one coaching will be at the $200 level, where you can call me and we can go over things via video chat or whatever we have to do to make sure you get the ball rolling. So yeah, man, this is a great company. It's definitely worth every penny, I would say. Definitely, it's already been paying me some good money, as you guys can see. So I would say go ahead and get started with it. Don't waste any time. You can always upgrade later if you just don't have it. If you don't have the 200, you can always upgrade later. So just know that. With that being said, this is the Skill Power System review. Okay, and I will have much more to come. All right, peace.